people went to stores, Jen. Just going to leave it at stores, and they had things that said a Black Friday sale, and they pulled it off, and then it just said sale. So it's like, what is?
It was the same price.
Yeah,
it would say on sale
price.
$149 Black Friday deal, and then it was actually just $149.
Yeah. So it's like, do we have those true Black Friday sales anymore?
That's what I'm wondering. Everything's always on sale all the time. How can that be?
I know that. I don't know, Jen.
See, I typically buy it. I try to at least before Black Friday.
Yeah.
But keep it within a return window, so then if it drops down, then you take it and you get that discount price. I will say I did get one true Black Friday deal, or two of them actually.
Yeah.
One was batteries, and then the other one was my Christmas tree.
All right.
There you go.
Discounted. Black Friday only.
That's it. That's it. You got it.
I was very proud of that one. A real tree too, especially seeing discounts there. I sent them a picture. Very proud of it. Well, let's go ahead and talk a little bit about your forecast right now. Looking across the southeast, seeing some of that sunshine cloud cover, mainly just impacting our coastal areas at this time, but that's going to change. More of those clouds will begin to roll in for the entire Gulf Coast by the time we make it later on into this afternoon and this evening. Looking in just a little bit closer, more of that sunshine really for our inland areas. Just a few wispy cirrus clouds out there to begin. More of that cloud cover impacting the Florida Panhandle, southern Mobile and Baldwin counties. But take a look at the temperatures. Quite a difference in comparison to just an hour ago. We're starting to see more of those mid to upper 40s, so slowly beginning to warm up. But daytime highs still going to be staying below average heading into today. But you do have to keep in mind we have a northerly wind. It's bringing in some dry, cool air, and so the feels like temperatures a lot colder out there. Although many areas are resting in the mid to upper 40s. Still feeling like the upper 30s in Fairhope along with Grove Hill and Bruton and Bay Minette. Other areas feeling more like the lower 40s. That trend's also going to continue, so keep that in mind heading into tomorrow morning when we talk about overnight lows. It's going to be feeling a bit colder out there, possibly even below freezing. Now, taking a look at our temperatures over the next couple of hours, we're going to be maxing out in the mid to upper 50s. By the time we fall later on into this evening, temperatures resting in the mid 40s. By the time we get closer towards 8 o'clock. Now, I mentioned today we are below average, not quite feeling like the end of November, but December right around the corner, and we're not going to be feeling like December. We're going to be above average heading into the weekend to start off a brand new month. Coming up in just a little bit, I'm going to talk more about that. The rain chances also in the forecast. Those details coming up soon. Chelsea. Well, going ahead and taking another look at your forecast, taking a look at satellite and radar across the southeast. Again, plenty of sunshine further up towards the north. However, if you look further south, seeing more of that cloud cover, expecting more of that to begin to move in heading later on into this afternoon. Now, taking a live view outside right now, beach conditions looking beautiful. Just not a lot of folks out there enjoying it just due to how cold it is. Still just a few folks out there walking and taking a nice stroll, but temperatures resting in the upper 40s. Northeast winds continuing around 10 to 15 miles per hour, bringing in some of that dry air. Dew points resting in the upper 30s, and so feeling colder, feeling more like the mid 40s. Now, taking a look at our Rip Current risk in case you're visiting us, heading on down towards the beach. Too cold, but beautiful water conditions. Low Rip Current risk today, tomorrow, and also Wednesday. I saw quite a few boats out heading into this morning, so a lot of folks getting out there and enjoying the calm water conditions. Now, taking a look at today's temperatures, we're going to be maxing out in the mid to upper 50s, well below average for this time of year. Many areas 10 to 15 degrees below average for this Monday. Upper 50s as we get closer towards our coastal areas, but even as we make it into the week ahead of us, temperatures are going to be gradually warming up, and we'll get closer to average by the time we make it towards the end of the week. But by that point, we have another rainmaker on the way. Increased rain chances heading into a brand new month, December 1st, heading into the weekend. Temperatures even getting above average into the 70s. But before we get there, we still have some cooler mornings ahead of us. Coming up in just a little bit, I'm going to be breaking down all of those details and what you can expect for the rest of the week. All that's coming up soon. Chelsea.